Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you a large number of. So what is a large number of? In order to learn a large number of, we need to see the usages of a large number of. So let's see the usages. So the usages are here: huge quantity, formal, countable noun. When we have a huge quantity and when we want to stay the huge quantity in a formal way, so we use a large number of, and that must be countable. How can we use a large number of? Let's see here. We have examples. The first example is there are a large number of students in this school. There are a large number of students in this school. So here I'm saying that, in for example there's school, and here I'm saying that huge quantity, formal, in a formal way, and countable. Definitely, can we count student? Definitely we can count student. One student, two students. So they definitely we can count students. So definitely the thing which is countable, and that must be in huge quantity. And when we want to express the huge quantity in a formal way, so we use a large number of. Second example is there are a large number of books in the library. There are a large number of books in this library. So here I'm saying that there are a large number, it means huge quantity, and definitely we can also count books. Can you count books? Definitely we can count one books, two books, definitely we can count. So this is a large number of. Why do we use a large number of? To tell huge quantity. The huge quantity must be countable. Now, do you mean countable? Means we can count. And if we when we want to say a huge quantity in a formal way, so we use a large number of. So this was a lecture on a large number of. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.